Hi, I'm Kayla Rackley, and this is a brief overview of my instructional product, Paint with AI, the modern approach to the master copy. This interactive learning object was created for adult learners, particularly studio artists who want to thoughtfully integrate AI tools into their creative process. It encourages more integration between online learning and in-studio classroom practice, helping artists adapt traditional techniques to modern tools for a more versatile and future-ready approach. This product introduces a modern take on the traditional master copy, a long-standing practice where art students study the style and technique of historical masters. In this module, learners are guided through locating copyright-free source images, using AI tools to generate creative prompts, and producing new image variations in a chosen style. These AI-generated references then serve as inspiration for their hands-on studio work. Learning objectives are clearly stated and revisited throughout to support focus and learner autonomy. Each lesson ends with a brief multiple-choice assessment that provides immediate feedback, reinforcing key concepts and allowing learners to check their understanding before moving on. The design reflects a constructivist approach. Learners build on their prior knowledge of painting while making meaningful, creative decisions. The progression follows two key instructional strategies: graduated difficulty and decision-making. Learners start with foundational tasks such as selecting a subject and writing a prompt, which serve as the building blocks for more complex decisions. As they progress, they use AI to explore artistic elements like style, composition, and adaptation of generated images, gradually taking on more challenging aspects of the creative process. Decision-making plays a central role as learners choose their own reference images, define their visual goals, and craft prompts that align with their personal artistic vision. Multiple means of representation are built in, including narration, text, images, and screen-recorded demos. Learners can control volume, replay segments, and move through content at their own pace. The layout and pacing were designed with clarity and accessibility in mind, in alignment with universal design for learning principles and considering just, equitable, and inclusive education. Paint with AI, the modern approach to the master copy, bridges traditional studio learning with new media tools, supporting a hybrid model that reflects how artists increasingly learn and work today.